The A says.
Ah.
The A says.
Ah.
Every letter makes a sound. The A says.
Ah.
The B says.
B.
The C says. The D says.
D.
The E says.
It says.
The E says.
Yeah.
Eh.
Eh.
The F says. The G says.
D.
G.
G.
The H says. The I says.
Eh.
The J says.
Eh.
The J says.
D.
The K says. The L says.
O.
The M says.
Uh.
The L says L. What does the M say? The N says.
N says.
What does the N say?
M.
The O says.
Ah.
The P says. The Q says.
P.
The R says.
Uh.
The S says. The T says. The U says.
G. G.
Well,
G.
The V says. What does the V say?
G.
The V says V.
This is G.
Yeah.
Says.
What does the W say?
W. W. W.
The X says. The Y says.
W.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Z says.
Z.
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 That's right.
Good job.
What does the word cat begin with?
K.
It's like a K. What's the other K sound?
K.
C.
C.
What does bat? What does the word bat begin with?
B.
What does quick begin with?
B.
Quick. Qu.
D.
Qu. Quick. What does the letter? What's the first letter in quick?
Q.
That's right.
Q.
That's right. Good job.